Hello, everybody. We're just waiting for everyone to join. All right, my name is Teacher Jojo. I'm going to be your teacher for today's workshop for Python. First, I want to do a little bit of an introduction and get to know everybody because I really like coding and I love working with children on different coding projects. To the class, we're just introducing ourselves. My name is Jojo, Teacher Jojo, and I'm a math and a coding teacher from Canada.
Today, I feel happy and a bit tired.
So I had Joanna, Samanu. Does anyone else want to go? Yeah, it's definitely a programming language. It's very popular, and it's usually one that so it's came a long way, and Python is great to code. What is one thing that you've learned today about the history of Python that you found very interesting? I'm gonna go around the room and ask. Awesome, good. Anyone else want to share? Kieran, you already have Python. Excellent. So you're ahead of the game. I'm gonna resend the link in case some of us didn't get it because we arrived late. But we're downloading Python today. So I want you to click on the link, just like how you see it on my board. We're not gonna do advanced stuff, no, not for today's class. So we're gonna start a new file. And do you guys have you already worked on the print function? Okay. I'm just gonna go through to see which one, what other the other features. Comments, string concatenation. Who has done string concatenation? And who has heard of hex color code? I'm hoping everyone has. Actually, should I have light blue? I'll have light blue. Okay, so I'm gonna send everyone the RGB color chart. You can change the background color for now. Yeah, good question. So I'm gonna actually send you guys a list of methods in. So this particular turtle package, it comes with a list of standardized methods that can help you draw. This is going to be really helpful for, I'm not sure if you want to make advertisements in your hackathon, but if you're trying to make promotions of something, that I feel like it's going to be really helpful. So we went through kind of the background color, the pen size. You can change it back to like a thinner one. We're gonna use another few methods that's gonna help you be a little bit more flexible when you're drawing. So there is a method called up. It's just like when you're drawing, you lift up your pen because you want to move to a different position. Let's say you want to lift up your pen to draw. Circle is going to be a different circle. Let's say I'm going to go to. Now I have two separate circles because I started out with the position minus 35.95 as the XY position, changed the position, and I moved my pen to move down my pen to start drawing again. Now we're going to lift up our pen again. We're gonna go to a specific position, and then we're gonna move forward 40. Explain what happened here. What do you think happened there that made my little line? Can somebody explain? Actually, I'm gonna give you a few more shapes and then I'm gonna send you a list of methods that you can kind of explore on your own. We're combining the for loop in our turtle package. So I wanted to kind of explain the codes now that I showed you what the pattern looks like. Everyone has used for I in range 180 like the for loop before. We're moving forward 200 pixels, then you're turning right. I'm gonna give everyone a few minutes to kind of copy this down. And you guys didn't have any error message? Okay, Kieran, I'll give Kieran a few minutes. Okay, so I'm hoping everyone's done now. So once you click on the link, you will see the variable has to line up. But since in our class, in our example, we named the variable t, everything is lined up to t. Thumbs up, if that makes sense, or hands up, if that makes sense. Where did I go? Let's go back to methods. But actually the circle method can have like 3 parameters. if you want, notebook or like encyclopedia, this Python library, and use different methods that we can apply to our project, right?